Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I'm going to talk to you about how we sell ChatGPT for recurring monthly fees to clients. Let's dive in. There's so many marketers out there right now and gurus or whatever pushing OpenAI, ChatGPT and everything that goes with it, right? And there's people creating, amazing images that they're posting onto their Facebook profiles, but really it's just kind of fluff at the moment. There's no substance behind it. And I don't think many people have figured out how to take this amazing technology, which we know is going to change the world, and monetize it, right? And turn it into something that actually really helps the people that we engage with, our clients or whatever, and help build that relationship. Because this is, a big opportunity, a really big opportunity that I'm super proud of, which is why we've been really kind of working on what we're doing inside my business to be able to sell our services and sell ChatGPT. We call it our sales android. This can masquerade as the solar sales android or the roofing sales android or the life insurance sales android. What we've been working on is being able to sell this concept, our android, to clients for recurring monthly revenue. It's pretty cool. But an important distinction to make is that we've got a name for it, which is important, but a really nice hook to go with this, and the fact that that AI is so hot at the moment, is that we're showing it to our clients in a way that's going to remove something from their business and get more results from it, okay? Because we see so many marketers out there pushing, leads, pushing Facebook ads, pushing Google ads. Maybe you should get some content out there and create a new YouTube channel. There's so many different things that we're offering, that people offer to clients. They're just overwhelmed by it, all right? They've got a busy business as well. You forget that they've got to speak to the leads, close the leads, and then go deliver the work for them. Do you know what I mean? Like, marketing is like a nuisance sometimes. So when we're able to position what we're doing, our sales android is something that's going to remove from the business to get more results, that's when they start listening, all right? Because when you think about it, most of these businesses have a backbook, a database, especially if they're established, of business that they've either worked before and got results for, or a whole bunch of leads that might have come in over the last few years that they haven't even thought about or engaged with, okay? So when we're able to show them what we've created and then get them to experience it, which is key, then that's when the penny drops for them. And it's very, very easy to sell what we're doing for recurring services, okay? The way we're doing it at the moment is if we send an SMS out to our client's database, the lead gets back to us, and the sales android will then engage with the prospect and book them into a calendar, okay? So when a client actually pretends that they're a customer, a roofing customer or whatever that might be, and they respond to the SMS and book themselves in, they're like, oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. Where do I sign, okay? And we charged, I think it was for a gym owner, $497 a month last week. And we're building it out for him now, and it's going to go into his business and start engaging the old leads, but also the fresh leads that come in. Then it's so easy to sell, right? Because them hiring a staff member or someone to work their leads is going to cost way more than $497 a month, if that makes sense. So as I said, it's a huge opportunity, and it's such an easy sell because it just frees up the customer rather than adds more, the client rather than adds more to them. If that makes sense. Okay, so another really important thing that we're adding to our sales android experience, and by the way, if you go through it below by clicking the link, you'll be able to see this as well, is that when they finish it and when they see how cool it is, we ask them all by kind of AI and automatically, okay, this is not done by humans. We ask them if they want to learn how it works, and then we program our android to send them to a Google Doc, or it's like a sales page, which shows them how, uses the power of the written word to basically, move them from someone that was warmish to someone that's just good to go and buy, okay? And for us, we can drop a payment link at the bottom of the Google Doc, or we can have a call to action for them to book a Zoom call or whatever that is. It doesn't really matter. But honestly, like the 3 calls we had last week were just close. They just wanted them to take their money. It was that easy, okay? And the other thing is, and for those high-level people out there that have a high-level SaaS, software as a service package that they sell to clients for recurring money, All right, this is probably the best hook I know to be able to move them from someone that's like just a client to move them onto a recurring package where they get the whole high-level setup and a sales Android as well. Okay, super powerful. That's what we're doing as well, and which is why I'm really looking forward to building a big SaaS high-level business. So yeah, really, that's about it for today. My voice is going, as you can probably tell. I hope you've enjoyed the video. As I said, you can experience our sales Android and see what that looks like and have a play with it, try and break it, do whatever you want. And also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we create new videos like this. I'll speak to you soon.